What's up, guys? North and South with another pack opening. This is actually pretty sick. I got 2 bundles and look how much cash I have up there. Look how much cash. Wanna see my team? Look at this team right here. Look at my big man squad. Looking beast. Tight, dude. Tight. Really is. Alright, let's open these Phenom bundles. Rookie Pro Pack. Rookie Tip-Off Pack. Whatever it's called. Oh, we pulled some fire. Oh. Oh, Danny Green. Alright, Danny Green and that. It's pretty good. It's not good at all, though. Victor Oladipo. Let's see, what else? Tyson. Dennis Schroeder and Taurean Prince. Chris Middleton and Malachi Richardson. Ooh, 83 Marcus Morris. I'm pretty sure he goes for some coins. Ooh, 3 golds. The question is, can we pull an elite? Can we pull an elite in these packs? That's what I want to know. These packs, this fire. Are they fire? These packs fire. Don Maker. On. An elite. God. Oh, nothing good, man. Ooh, okay. Give me an elite at least. Oh my gosh. Come on. No. Come on, another one. Give me an elite. 4 golds. 4 golds. What an elite. Ben Simmons. That's good. Coming down to our couple packs. 4 more packs to go. And then we're gonna save the topper for last. Aw, man. The rookie Phenom packs are good. Another Ben Simmons. Last pack. And we pulled Andrew Wiggins. It's pretty good. Alright, here's with Buddy Hield on the cover. Ooh, Damian Lillard! Let's go, baby. Ooh, 83 Karl-Anthony Towns and 80 Ben Simmons. This pack is pretty fire. Pretty good. We pull an elite. Another elite. Yeah. Okay. Another elite in this one. Come on. Oh, I can't. The goal for this video is to pull 4 elites. In my last video, I pulled 5 elites. 5 elites, and they're all throwback. 13 packs to go. Come on, NBA Mobile. Ooh, 83 overall. 83 overall, Kyle Lowry. I'll take that. Brandon Ingram. 83 Kyle Lowry again. That's good. I want to see 83s and above. Ugh. Come on, guys. Come on, to be alive. Come on. Oh my gosh. Please let me alive, Bobo. Please let me alive. 150 gold. Ooh, get a master. And a master. Our defense will line up. Woo. Let's go. That's good. Wait. Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that. He sells for some coins. 12,000. Give me another elite. Nah, doesn't look like I might pull another elite, dude. Brendan Rush. Campus Hero. Come on, NBA Live Mobile. Come on. Alright, here's the bundle toppers. The draft pick, elite draft pick. Number 6. Tell me again this one. Ooh. Ooh. Number 4 draft pick. Another number 4. Alright guys, that is going to be the video. Drop a like if you like this video. Leave a comment on the bottom.